So I figured I'd get the GoPro out and we go ahead and touch up on power steering lines on this LS swap and try to get you up to date on everything. You can see the wiring mess that I got. We got fuse box and everything, different color wires, but you know, I plan on keeping this truck. If I didn't, that's somebody else, you know, problem. Got a short nose, got some of the lumen done, but the power steering is what I want to do today. Put some clamps on it, reservoir clamps and stuff like that, make sure it don't leak. I got this Flam power steering fluid, no special reason. It was 2 for $9, and it meets OEM specifications, so that's fine with me. We got a reservoir here, and I would go ahead and add this power steering fluid, but now as I look at it, since it's a hydro boost, I need to put a clamp on that bottom one or it will come out on me. So I picked up some fancy clamps. That 22 size is too big. I need some regular clamps. Also, you can see the bulkhead over here. That's a wild nightmare. Trying to find a diagram that makes sense on one of those. Well, very complicated. They give you your main wires, but they don't make sense of what all your sensors are. Yeah, that's always fun. I got that almost taken care of. Good thing about buying clamps in bulk is you usually got what size you need on hand. Sometimes you don't. I kind of wanted fancier clamps, but at this point I just want to see this truck back on the highway. Well, I hit the ground. Good thing about buying a box of clamps is you always have spares, so you don't have to go after that clamp that fell to the ground. Let's just fight it up. Now let's push this on. Oh God. Get on the hose. Get on. Oh God, it ain't gonna leak. I don't even think it needs a clamp. Ugh. Let's go ahead and put this one on. That came off quite easy. When I poured the motor out of this truck, honestly, I think I cut these. Not 100% though. Clamp seems simple enough. Go ahead and tighten this up. Plenty of room we get to loosen it if need be. These are just not high pressure clamps anyway. These are just kind of overflow clamps. I mean, I shouldn't have a leak though. Should I? Yeah, it's gonna leak. And the clamp is cutting into it. I hate these clamps. Don't ever tell anybody that. I hate clamps like this. Okay, on the butt side, let's add some fluid. I don't know if that will not leak, but we shall see. So I'm going to let that fill up. You can see the air in the system. When we crank it over and stuff, it'll get more. Let's just let it breathe. Let's put a little Flam and stuff in the corner here. So it's got the power steering lines all done, all hooked up. Power steering fluid's full. I went ahead and tidied up just a little bit here and there. So we'll jump into the wiring harness very soon. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, leave a comment. If you working on a LS swap, let me know. Or if you're doing a hydro boost setup to your old school truck, this one came factory with it. But you can see the lines ain't too complicated to do. You got one pressure line that comes up and goes to your system, then one comes back down. Well, you see it. Maybe I go in detail if you guys want to see how a hydro boost is set up when I change this hydro boost pump, because this needs rebuilt and I got a spare. So thank you for watching. See you on the next video.